Hi, this is the problem 3.49 from Elements of Electromagnetic by Sadiq 4th edition. The question is like this: the point charges plus q and minus q are located at 0, d by 2, 0, 0 minus d by 2, 0. So show that at point r theta phi, where r is much greater than d, the potential V is equal to qd sin theta sin phi by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, and find the corresponding electric field. So this is a very simple question, which is the problem 3.49 from Sadiq textbook. First let us draw this information in the diagram. First let us draw the three-dimensional coordinate system. So this is the three-dimensional coordinate system x, y, z. So where the dipole is given, you can clearly see that dipole is given on y axis. So therefore at 0, d by 2, 0, so there is a charge of plus q, and what is the other information given? There is at point 0 minus d by 2, 0, there is another charge of minus q. So this is dipole. So this the distance is dipole. The distance dipole. So it is asked to find out the potential and the electric field at point r theta phi. So where r is the radius from the origin, as you know, for spherical coordinate system this angle is theta. So this is r, phi we can extend downwards. So where the angle with x-axis is phi. So therefore we want to find out V and E. So we want to prove V is equal to this and E is equal to this. For this we know the potential due to a dipole formula. The potential due to a dipole is V is equal to P bar dot AR bar by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So this is the potential because of a dipole at any distance r. So we use this formula, very important formula. So what is this formula? Potential due to a dipole at any distance r, the potential formula. Now we have to, what is P is given? P the dipole moment. P is called as here dipole moment vector. So P bar is equal to QD. So magnitude of charge into separation between them, into in which direction the dipole is oriented. The dipole is oriented in y direction. So that's why take unit vector AY. So this is AY is unit vector. AY is unit vector. Now coming to this. So for example, coming to three-dimensional coordinate system. Three-dimensional coordinate system, as you know, that x, y, z. If you take any point r theta phi, so the distance from origin, as you know, that the distance from origin is r. So the angle with the z axis is theta. If you project this point to the ground plane, it touches xy plane. So this angle is called as phi. As you know that, so this is the height z. So this is the height z. So if you draw a line like this, if this angle is theta, this distance is r. So this side will become r cos theta. This length will become r sin theta from geometry. So if this angle is theta, this is r. This side will become r cos theta. This dimension will become r sin theta. Now project this like this. Project this like this. Project this like this. So this is r sin theta, this magnitude. So this angle is phi. So therefore this side x will become r sin theta cos phi, and this side will become, so this is r sin theta, so therefore this is phi, so this side will become r sin theta sin phi. What is z? So z is equal to r cos theta. So by using this, any vector, radial vector ar, So AR is written as in terms of unit vector. What is x dimension? So if your unit vector sin theta cos phi into AX plus y dimension is sin theta sin phi into A phi plus what is z dimension? Cos theta into AZ. So this is what the unit vector AR can be written in terms of AX, AY and AZ unit vectors. The unit vector AR is written like this. So now what we want? We want AY dot AR. If you substitute P bar here, we want AY dot AR bar. So AY dot AR bar. So that is equal to this is ER bar. So therefore what it will come out? It will come out as sin theta sin phi. So substitute here V. So therefore V is equal to first what? P bar is QD AY dot AR or AY bar we can write like this. So 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So what is AY bar dot AR? Sin theta sin phi. So therefore what is the potential? So QD sin theta sin phi by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So this is the potential which we have proved. So this is the potential which we have proved. Now coming to electric field. So we have electric field formula. So we have E is equal to minus grad V formula. Very important relation. E is equal to minus grad V. So in spherical coordinate system, we have R, theta, phi. The differential elements are dr, r d theta, r sin theta, d phi, from which h1 is equal to 1, h2 is equal to r, h3 is equal to r sin theta. We use to write this formula in spherical coordinate system which is written as, so E is equal to minus 1 by h1, so that is dou V by dou r into AR plus 1 by h2, that is 1 by r dou V by dou theta A theta plus 1 by h3, 1 by r sin theta, so dou V by dou phi A phi. Substitute V. So what is V is equal to here? So V is equal to QD sin theta sin phi by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. We substitute this in this formula, we will get E. So therefore what is minus dou V by dou r? Minus dou V by dou r is nothing but as minus 2 QD sin theta sin phi by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube into AR plus 1 by r dou V by dou theta. What is dou V by dou theta? So QD cos theta sin phi, sin theta differentiation is cos theta by multiply denominator with r, it will become 4 pi epsilon naught r cube into A theta plus 1 by r sin theta into, so dou V by dou phi is QD sin theta cos phi by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into A phi. So this is the unit vector A phi. So sin theta gets cancels out. So from this you can take it as QD by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube as common. So multiply minus side inside. So minus side inside you take this factor. So it will come out as 2 sin theta sin phi AR minus cos theta sin phi A theta minus cos phi A phi. So this is the answer for this problem. Very simple question. So this is the potential and electric field to a dipole oriented along y-axis. So this is the answer for this problem. So which you have to write to get full marks.